What it do, YouTube? We back, man. Ain't got to play with y'all. We going back to back to back to back. Hey, how y'all feeling though, man? We just cruising this morning. Just catching a little vibe. Gotta take a little trip. Boy, they sleep. Hey, question. If a man, I seen this in a video. I actually seen it in real life too. But a man sitting in a wheelchair, acting like he can't walk. You roll down your window, give him some money. He rolls up, grabs the money. As soon as you pull off, you see this man get up and start walking around. Man start dancing, do a kick flip. Boy, hey, are you coming back to get your money back? I ain't even turning slow. Boy, that coffee shop got a line out. Dang. That coffee must be good. It still have a line. They trying to take over Starbucks. Funny thing, it should be a Checkers. Well, that's a nice little Benz right there. I just want to go for a nice little walk one day. You know, they make it look so peaceful. Might do a vlog this weekend. Gotta wait to see. Gotta wait to see. Oh, dang. Let me put y'all down because they go police. Let me pick y'all back up because somebody's behind me outside of the police. Outside of the police, man. Oh, it was about 2 weeks ago, the police was trailing me. Next thing you know, they sped past me and got a car that was 3 cars in front of me, pulled them over. I said, yes. Everybody behind me for a good little 5 minutes. I ain't gonna say 5 minutes, it was about 2. But you know, that 2 felt like 5. But I guess they were trying to figure out which car they were trying to pull off. Like, man, hey, well, I ain't do nothing. Why y'all trailing me? Like, nope, it wasn't him. Let me get to the right boy. Let's see. What is in store for this weekend? I plan on going outside vlogging, man. Go outside and vlog. Me by myself, one deep with a camera and something else on me, just in case you want. Never mind. GTA. I ain't gonna lie. In Tennessee, you'll drive by and within a block, you'll see 3 churches. Just back to back to back. They don't call it the Bible state for no reason. The Edge. This place so funny. This used to be a White Castle. They knocked it down, and then it's just random people just parking there with food trucks, or they do a car wash. It's just always something random in the parking lot. Kristen knocked them out of business. Like, get them out of here. The alley. Well, I'm catching every red light. It's because I got red seats. Got them kids back to back. Coffee date. Jack's barbecue does sound good for the day. Burning 2 kids back to back. They ain't stand a chance, did they? They need to bring the Dollar Tree back there when stuff was actually $1. Get a 5-pack of Gatorades for $1. Victory. This road gets so much construction done on it, and it never lasts. I could have just swore last year they stripped this road down. Look at it. It's got unevenness, cracks in the lanes, potholes. God dang. God dang, my guy. Some more condos. gotta look out for police and potholes around these parts. They still ain't been picking up them trees from the ice storm. They're like, how long y'all on? Ice storm happened in January. It's about to be May. It's April 30th. They're like, yep, y'all on y'all own. Should have got in when y'all could have. And their car better be broke down, because like, why you just didn't get all the way into the parking lot? You didn't want to be all the way forgiven for your sins? How y'all feel about Lincolns? It's a Ford luxury car brand. I heard they been dropping in value. They say it's a good car. Hit them with that. Alright, there's still the checkers over here. They had checkers for so long since they closed the one out east. The only one you see is the one right there and the one in Rivergate. Hey, I appreciate y'all joining me for the look. Quick little drive through the city. Hey man, y'all do me a favor. Go on and hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time. Godspeed.